Hi, my name is Narciso of eLearning Advocates. Welcome to module number 4 of Video Editing Online Training Program. This unit of competency is about adding audio files to a video, and we begin with a blank Windows Live Movie Maker project. From here, I'm going to add a video by clicking on this button. Always make sure that the folder containing all the items that you are going to work on in your project is the one that is currently active. In this particular example, the folder that contains all the items that I'm going to work on is called Movie Walking to School. And from here, I'm going to click this item. This is actually the video clip that we created in module number 3. I'll click on open. This is the video that we are going to add an audio file to. And to do that, I have to click on this button, add music. I'll choose this audio file here and I'll hit open. By looking at this portion of your screen, you'll notice that there is an audio file that is currently associated with our video. There are two things that you have to consider when you add an audio file to a video. First is the length of the video. Second is the duration of your audio file. In this example, the length of our video is 51.03 seconds, and you can see the duration of our audio file by hovering the mouse pointer on this audio file. You may not see it, but I can see that the duration of our audio file is 2 minutes and 12.13 seconds. What does this information tell us? It tells us that our video will finish way ahead of our music. To address this, we have to shorten our music to match the length of our video at 51.03 seconds. So I'll click on this tab that says Music Tools, and I'll go here where I could type 51.03 seconds. Because we changed the duration of our music from over 2 minutes to 51 seconds, the music will abruptly stop as soon as the video ends, and we don't want this to happen. So I will go here where it says fade out, click on this button and choose slow. Doing this will let the music fade out when the video is about to end. That is all you need to know if you want to add an audio file to a video. To preview your video, just hit the play button. You might have noticed that the music enhanced our video, and you also might have noticed that the music faded as the video was about to end. When everything looks right, you are now ready to save your project. Click on home and click on save movie and save your project as you normally would, and you're done. I would like to complicate this a little bit by asking a couple of what if questions. What if you want to add two audio files in one video? And what if you want to start in the middle of the music as opposed to what we did earlier where we started from the beginning of the music? I will start with a project that contains the same video that we used earlier. This is the video where we are going to add two audio files to. But before I continue, let me show you some information about the audio files that we are going to insert, as well as the plan that I'm going to undertake in working on this project. The bottom of your screen shows us the length of the audio files that we are going to insert later on, and you will notice that the duration of these two audio files combined is a lot greater than the length of our video, which is 51.03 seconds. Let us work on this project according to this plan below, and I will start by adding a music, which is actually our music number 1. According to our plan, we are going to play music number 1 from its beginning, and we will only play it for 21.03 seconds. So I'll click on this button that says Music Tools. I'll keep 0.00 second as the start point because we want to start playing music number 1 from its beginning. But I'll go to this end point section and change it to 21.03 seconds as indicated in our plan. I just need to press enter, and let us not forget to change this fade out effect to slow. We are done adding the first audio file, and we will move on to the next audio file, which is music number 2. When we add the next audio file, we have to make sure that it is placed where this vertical line is. To do that, go to Home and click on this tiny arrow and choose this option that says Add Music at the current point, where the current point is where this vertical line is. I'm going to choose the next audio file that we're adding, which is music number 2. Hit open, and your next audio file is added on this video. And for us to work according to our plan, I have to click on Music Tools. Because we want to start at the 90-second mark of this second audio file, I'll go to this start point section and I'll change this to 90 seconds. And because we only want to play this music file for 30 seconds, we add 30 to 90. That will give us the end point of 120 seconds. I'll press enter. As usual, we go to fade out section, change this to slow. And because we added another audio file from this first one, I'll go to fade in section and I'll change this to slow. So to summarize what we did, we shortened the duration of our first audio file to 21.03 seconds, and we cut short the length of the second audio file to 30 seconds to give us a total of 51.03 seconds which is the same as the length of our video. Save your project as you normally would by clicking on Save Movie button. And that's it. That is how to add multiple audio files to a video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all again in Module 5.